Hello everyone, welcome to Raw Perfect classes. Today's topic is Python for loops. A for loop is used for iterating over a sequence, and this is less like for keyword in other programming languages. This works more like an iterator method as found in other object-oriented programming languages. With for loop, we can execute a set of statements, once for each item in a list, tuples, set, etc. And in first program, we print colors of all color names which are stored in a list. For making list, I am taking here colors variable. Colors variable is equal to, for creating a list, we used here square brackets. In square brackets, we write all colors name in double quotes, and for separation, I used here comma. In next line, I write for keyword, x is a variable, in is also keyword, colors is the variable name of list, and for x in colors means here x is the variable that takes the value of item inside the colors on each iteration. And this for loop continues until we reach the last item in colors. The body of for loop is separated from the rest of the code using indentation. And in this I use the print function for showing the all colors name with x, because x is a variable which takes all colors name from colors list and print the result. In second program, to find the sum of all numbers which are stored in a list. For making the list of numbers, I am taking here numbers variable is equal to, in square brackets, I write all numbers which you want to add. And for separation of all numbers, I used here comma and variable to store the sum. For this, sum is equal to 0. I am using here sum is equal to 0 because in starting sum is empty. So we take here sum is equal to 0. Now next we use for loop. For loop, I write for value. In first program, I took x, but in this program, I took value instead of x. And for value in numbers is the variable name of list. And this for loop is also work till end all the numbers of list is not added. So for addition of these numbers, I took here formula sum is equal to sum plus value. When first time loop is execute, then it takes 8 and 0 plus 8 is equal to 8. Then again loop is repeat, then take 5, 8 plus 5 13, then again loop repeated, then take 7, 13 plus 7 20, and this loop is repeating till it takes the 11 for addition. And after the completing the all repetition completing, it show the result through the print function. Now I am going to click on F5 function which show your result. You can see of the first program's result, which show red, green, yellow, orange, purple, and result of second program is the sum is 59, because when we add all these numbers we get the 59. 8 plus 5 13, 13 plus 7 20, 20 plus 8 28, 28 plus 4 32, 32 plus 34, 34 plus 5 39, 39 plus 9 48, 48 plus 11 59. Then you can get the result sum of all these numbers of a list. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel for further notifications.